right, folks, welcome back. 5 things to know ahead of today's opening bell. Listen up if you are just waking up. A data center issue has halted trading of futures and options on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. That means that stock futures, foreign exchange, and commodities are currently not available to trade. But in the last few minutes, BrokerTec US, which is the CME unit that deals in electronic trading of treasuries, has had its service restored, so you can see yields, we believe, that are accurate at this point. We're going to continue to bring you updates on that story as we get them. In the meantime, the Securities and Exchange Commission is investigating Jefferies' relationship into a bankrupt auto parts maker, First Brands Group. That's according to an FT report that said the regulator is looking into whether Jefferies gave investors enough information on its fund's exposure to the failed auto business. And Alibaba has started selling its new AI smart glasses in China. That's its first attempt to break into the wireless market dominated by Meta. Prices for the Quark glasses start at about $270. Alibaba says that they'll be integrated with its apps, including Alipay and its shopping site, Taobao. And Apple is challenging India's antitrust penalty law, under which the company could face a fine of up to $38 billion. This is the first challenge since that law went into effect last year, allowing regulators to use global revenue when calculating fines. Investigators say Apple is abusing its monopoly in the iPhone app market. Apple has denied all wrongdoing. And Disney's Zootopia 2 taking in just over $81 million globally in its opening day on Wednesday. That included $39.5 million in domestic ticket sales. The release marks the biggest opening day in China ever for a Hollywood animated film at $34 million. And guys, I guess there are different ways that you can see this one. You see it in 4D, as my brother and sister-in-law and their kids did.
What is that? It smells?
It smells. The seats move. My brother said he was almost going to vomit at times because of the way it moved around. But you've been into those 4D theaters where, like, water sprays in your face as you're doing some of these things along the way, too?